everybody. We're doing a van tour today, but the lady wishes to remain anonymous. She is a member of our Red Rocks road trip. We're in a beautiful national forest right now. Show you around it a little bit. So you can see the other side. A nice looking van. Look at the woods that we're in. Nice and cool here. We hate to leave. We're going to be leaving tomorrow though. Beautiful lake down here. National Forest campground, and each of us are sharing sites, so there's 2 per site. The total cost was $15, but then you only have to pay half of that, so this campsite was $7.50. And then if you have 2 people, you split that too. When you bought this, what did it have? What was it? Already furnished or what?
No, it was just an empty cargo van, no windows, just a cargo van.
Oh wow. And so what's the height of this? Can you stand up in it?
Yes, you can.
Oh, so it's a full high roof.
Company in Cincinnati did all the electronics, all the windows, the air conditioner, the solar panels, lithium battery package. And they did the walls and they did the ceiling.
Okay, I'm gonna take a look here at the front seat. Yes, this is dog storage. Look at these wonderful window covers that she's got here. Let me get the name of it. It's got the screen, which is uses magnets. Let's see, where's the name of that? The name of that is, that's the name. I'll try to find a link for it. And you've got a privacy curtain across there. You have the ability to leave the air conditioning on when you go in somewhere so that Jackson's always comfortable, right?
Yes, it'll run off the lithium package.
I love your floor. And you picked all these elements, didn't you?
Yes.
All right, starting right here from the outside. She's got her sink right here because that's a good use of space with this great big door. Plus, when you're washing dishes, you can look out, right?
Right.
And that's her water. Now, the one on the left, is that the fresh water?
They're both fresh water, and the gray water tank is all the way to the left. It's a short, squatty one.
Okay, that's the gray water way back in there.
Refrigerator freezer is under that bench seat. So the compost and toilet is under the left side of it. It's 2 different compartments. But I wanted a bench where I can sit and put a pillow up against that cabinet there and be able to look out my door at whatever scenery I have.
Nice deep sink.
Yes.
Okay, and this shower head, it's like a shower head. Can you shower outside with it?
You can pull it out.
Ooh. Oh yeah, she could shower outside. Nice lighting, beautiful light colors. What kind of walls are these? What's that made of?
They're birch plywood, and it's marine grade vinyl covering it.
Marine grade vinyl. I bet that makes a big difference. Is that the same as the ceiling, marine grade vinyl over plywood?
Yes.
Well, it looks really nice. I bet that's easy to clean too.
Yes, I first originally wanted the tweed fabric, then I went to Arizona and changed my mind quickly with all the dirt flying.
Yes, indeed. I'm going to show you some of the details here. First, the kitchen. This is what I showed you from the other side with the water and the garbage can. And this nice sink with the shower head, you might say, on it. And there's a water filter and a little Keurig and nice decorations and a control panel here.
The panel has thermostat for the Wabasco heater that runs off the gas tank. It taps right into the gas tank. This kind of square one is for the Dometic air conditioner. The one shows how much power I have left. I think it's probably around 60% on there. The Renogy power one. And the other one controls the lights, the water pump, and the inverter. It has a 3,000 watt inverter, 600 amps of self-heating lithium batteries. I just keep paper plates, cups, bread, things like that in there.
And then down here, probably utensils and kitchen things. And then down here we have,
and you can pull those out. Each one of them's got 2 pull-out
oh,
racks.
how nice. Look how easy you can get to that. It just pulls right out. You can get, that's really deep. You can get a lot in there.
It is.
What kind of cooking thing is that?
That is a dash. mini griddle. It's an 8-inch one, and I cook like everything on that thing.
This is a view of the window that opens, which is nice for airflow when you're in bed, of course. And is that a Max Air fan?
Yes.
Max Air fan. Window on the other side so she gets a good flow through. And look at these beautiful hats. Her daughter actually burns those beautiful patterns into these leather hats.
The name is Marlowe and Company if anybody wants one.
Yes, in fact, we'll put a link
Yeah.
to her company that she does
all
these.
custom orders. There's no two alike.
Clothes.
That's the clothes I wear like right now.
Clothes and linens, right?
Yeah, socks, underwear, all that
Yeah.
stuff.
And that's, what is this?
That's
Oh,
a dehumidifier.
dehumidifier. And little things that you need to grab quickly.
Yep.
Is a what? What kind of
Carbon monoxide and
smoke?
Yes.
That's really nice. It really makes it look like a window there. That mirror, I like that. Like a porthole. Then down here we have a microwave.
The big wicker basket. There's plenty of room behind those things too, which I'm gonna.
Oh, you can actually store things back here because
Yeah,
this
'cause
is a
it's
very
deep,
this
right.
is a nice deep cabinet, and these are only in the front, so she has more storage in behind.
Yeah, I keep all like my shower bag and lotions and all that stuff there.
Okay.
Pull out that bottom drawer. Okay, that is Jackson's drawer.
How cute! He's got what a neat way to keep the food.
Yeah.
And
That's
all
his medicine, his leash, his potty bag, his brushes, everything's in one drawer. Tom did that for me also, the cabinet man.
Yeah, she had this all custom done, so that's what you can get when you do it custom like that. And this vent is for your batteries.
There
probably?
is, yeah. If you can pull up that whole mattress thing, and you'll see what Tom did also for the bed. He has a CNC machine, so he cut all those bed holes.
Yes.
The mattress will never get mold on it.
And it's lightweight that way.
Yes.
Under here, there's something special that we always have to talk about.
It's a Cuddy Light composting toilet. You just both lids.
Oh yes, it does separate.
Right.
So there's a jug that you get to. And can you get to this from the outside? Is
No,
it-
right here. This whole thing flips up,
Oh,
and then
I
this
see.
light comes on when it's getting full.
Okay, that's great. What type of thing do you use in the solids composting?
Cocoa coil.
Yeah, I've heard of that.
And then under here is I got an IceGo refrigerator freezer. I
Nice.
keep the extra toilet paper, cocoa coir, vinegar, because you're supposed to clean the toilet with vinegar. I keep all that under there.
That's a really nice refrigerator. It looks big. Does it have a freezer also?
It's got a freezer, refrigerator, soft close lid, so when you let it go, it's not gonna
Not gonna slam.
slam it. It shuts closed.
That is
easy.
really nice.
IceGo
Does
is
it have?
great. It's like 2.5 inches of insulation all the way around it. The temperature perfect.
Do you know how many quarts?
58.
58 quart. Okay, I'll look for a link to that. That sounds really nice. This is your air conditioner. What's the brand of that?
It's a Dometic 15,000 BTU.
Dometic 15,000 BTU. I bet that cools this whole thing off really
It does,
nice.
very quick.
And then there's her privacy curtain here, which is beautiful.
Just it's so fun.
And that's the cockpit. Just imagine driving this down the road, looking at mountains.
It drives super easy because I was always used to driving a small car. Got truck too, but it's,
You had a minivan right before this, didn't you? Dodge Caravan you had right before this. And that's a very convenient spot for the garbage can, right?
it's just an extra one.
Breaker box and fuse panels are right behind. Does that open there, I guess?
Yes. You just,
Nice bins here. Great big bins. And that's where she has extra clothes. Nice bins. More clothes and blankets, I guess, and
like it.
things for colder weather.
I carry
You have
electric-
minimalized really
I carry
well.
electric blankets,
Yes.
leveling blocks. It does have 30 amp shore power, so that's the cord for the shore power. And then I carry tools behind there, an air compressor. That is a butane stove for outside if I want to cook out. And that's an air compressor.
The air compressor for the tires. Nice. And it all goes together so well. I'm telling you, for someone who travels as much as you do, you have really minimalized beautifully I see some boots back there.
Yeah,
So
and
everything, all the space is
extra
used.
Cocoa koi bricks I store back there, and
Uh-huh.
extra dog food.
Extra dog food over here. And there is a view from the back. Gorgeous. And there's a better view of the hats.
Yeah,
I'm telling you, those are
the
just
flowers,
spectacular.
I guess there's a flower for each birth month. So my daughter, for each grandchild, she put a different flower on there. And then the other side over there, you can't see it as well, but it's got like the west part, like the states outlined.
That is just adorable. And she does each of these custom too, does them by hand,
Yes,
each one.
whatever somebody wants
On
it,
real
she puts
leather.
on it. Right, right.
Well, that's just wonderful. Well, thank you for doing this tour for us.
Well, thank you for having me.
Yeah. You're really seeing the world. So how do you feel about van life?
I'm going to do it till either I wear out or the van wears out.
Right, that's exactly how I feel.